Shopaholics, rejoice! Here are some essential shopping idioms to upgrade your vocabulary. Shop around, meaning to compare prices and options before making a purchase. Example, she shopped around for the best deal on a new phone. Pay over the odds, meaning to pay more than something is worth. Example, he paid over the odds for that designer handbag. Go bargain hunting, meaning to look for goods at the lowest possible price. Example, she loves to go bargain hunting at flea markets. Off the shelf, meaning a product that is readily available and not custom made. Example, you can buy a laptop off the shelf at any electronics store. Went under the hammer, meaning sold at an auction. Example, their old furniture went under the hammer at the estate sale. Cost a fortune, meaning to be very expensive. Example, that sports car costs a fortune. Cost an arm and a leg, meaning to be extremely expensive. Example, renting an apartment in the city centre costs an arm and a leg. Drove a hard bargain, meaning negotiated strongly for a better deal. Example, she drove a hard bargain and got a huge discount on the car. Highway robbery, meaning an outrageously high price, a rip-off. Example, the taxi fare to the airport was highway robbery. Went on a shopping spree, meaning bought a lot of things in a short period. Example, after getting his bonus, he went on a shopping spree at the mall. Goes window shopping, meaning looking at items in stores without buying anything. Example, we just went window shopping and admired the new fashion trends. Shop till they dropped, meaning shopped for a very long time until exhausted. Example, they shopped till they dropped during the holiday sales. Bargain basement prices, meaning extremely low prices. Example, bargain basement, this store sells clothes at bargain basement prices.